Let's take a look at this Radio Shack off-road Tiger frame buggy. Probably from the 80s, I guess. Maybe 90s, but I think probably 80s. It comes with the car, the charger, the remote control. It does have a NiCad battery pack. You'll probably want to replace that. You're definitely going to have to replace the tires. These are hard and disformed. This one's torn and broken up. Front tires might pass for a while, but you'll definitely need rear tires, and you'll probably need a battery pack or two also. However, it does run. So if I turn the remote on, first of all, I'm going to do the little trim things left and right. You can see that works. Try to straighten it out, and then the forward and backward. Now this is going to be out of balance because of those tires. That's forwards, backwards, and then the little trim thing works also. So you're going to get it exactly in this condition. The frame of it is not in bad shape. The decals are mostly pretty good. The top one's has a little bit of wear to it, but yeah, it's a pretty good condition car for the age. So that's it. Thanks for watching.